Well, today we're moving on to a new multiplication concept. It's called the array. It's kind of a strange word. And we can do multiplication a different way using shapes, boxes. So some of you might see multiplication a little differently after this. Let me present about 2 or 3 of them, and that's it. Very short video. And you will definitely see these on Think Central. And they might have looked confusing before, but they're actually quite easy. Just take a little bit longer than our normal process. Let me give you an example. I've got 5 times 39. I do want to make sure you understand that the number 39 is really a 30 and also a 9. 2 different numbers. And that's important for these arrays. So if I drew a box like this, I'm going to break these numbers down into parts. So the 5 I'll just drop down here. He'll be on the side here. And the 39, I got to have 2 different boxes because I have a 30 and I have a 9. So I'll put the 30 here and I'll put the 9 here. And then the 5 is going to dance with the 30, and the 5 is going to dance with the 9. Think of it like dancing. So I'm going to say hello to my friend here, and then the 5 is going to dance with the 9. Notice those 2 arrows, kind of like the 2 arrows from before. So 5 times 30, and then 5 times 9. And 5 times 9 on the multiplication chart is 45. And then 5 times 30, let's see, 30 times 5. I would just do my normal little arrow process. This is a quick one. 5 times 0 is 0. And then 5 times 3 is 15. So I get 150. Okay, I'll put that back in green. So I got 150, and I'm almost done. All I have to do is take the 150 and add it to the 45. And we'll get the same exact answer as if we had done the multiplication like we used to do. So 150. Nice and clean, lined up, plus 45. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. And I get 195. We just did a multiplication problem using an array, which means the boxes that break the numbers down into parts. That's it. Just another way of doing it. So if you see it on Think Central, you might think, oh, wow. It's actually a little bit easy. I think a lot of kids just don't want to do this right here. That's the work you have to do for that one box. So once you've done that, then you just add it up and you're home free. Let's check it out. How about 7 times 32? Very easy one. 7 times 32. Remember, the 32 is actually a 30 and a 2. That's important because we'll need 2 boxes for the 32. So we draw our box. There's a pretty box. Yay! We know the 70 is going to drop down. The 7 is going to drop down on this side. The 32 needs 2 different boxes. We'll put the 30 in one side and the 2 over here. And as you recall, remember our famous arrows. 7's going to dance with the 30, and then the 7's going to dance with the 2. That's it, just like before. So 7 times 30, we'll do that work in just a moment. We don't want to do that work, I know, but we have to. And then 7 times 2 goes here. That one's pretty easy. I like to do the easy boxes first. 7 times 2 equals 14. That one's done. I'm almost free. I'm almost home free here. All right, 7 times 30. Let's do some business here. 30 times the 7. We'll do our little arrow dance. Here we go. Try yellow. 7 times the 0 is 0. 7 times the 3 on the multiplication chart, if you need to, is 21. All right, so the 210 goes here. And I know that we have to add, the 210 will be added to the 14, nice and clean, and then we're done, home free. That's it, really easy. Let's do that, 210. There is an array assignment on Think Central, so you're welcome to go ahead and try it out and think, well, this is actually looks a little easier now that I know how it works. 14, nice and clean. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus nothing is 2. 224, guess what? I'm done. I'm done. Well, it's 8:26, so I got to get ready for recess here. So there's 2 array problems. I'll present you with 2 more on Wednesday or Thursday. We'll just keep practicing it step by step. Have a great day. And as the Mandalorians say, this is the way.